What's up? It's Bob from Home Cook Basics. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I got another how-to for you today. We're going to cover how to peel garlic. It can be really frustrating getting the skin off these cloves. I'm going to show you how I like to peel them. It's real simple and easy, so maybe you won't get so frustrated with peeling your own garlic, and you won't be buying the stuff that's already cut and in a jar. So let's jump right into it. All right, so peeling garlic can be a real pain, right? If you're not peeling, you're not doing a ton of cloves, this is the best way I think there is to do it. Now, one thing you can do when you got the big bunch right here, you can put it down here and then you just give it a smash right here, and all the cloves will kind of fall apart or on the floor. So I'm going to show you the way I think is the best way to peel it if you're just doing a few individual ones. Um, what you do see on the internet a lot is a way to peel them all, but like I don't peel my garlic unless I'm cooking with it. So 3 cloves is pretty common for me. Um, that one takes them all and it puts it in these 2 metal bowls and you shake it and all the peels come off. But like I said, I don't like to peel them all. So what I like to do is you're gonna cut the ends off here right on this little root part on both sides. And I think this just helps release that paper a little bit. So as you cut through, you can also pull it and it'll peel a little bit off as well as you go. Okay, so that's the first step. You got both sides peeled off, and then all you're gonna do is take your knife and give it a little crack. Okay, now that's gonna help you cut it up later because you smushed it, but see that peel? It just pops right off. I mean, you barely have to do anything to take it off. And that gets you away from going like this and keep trying to peel it off. So you can see how simple and easy that is. And then you're able to, depending on how far you want to go, um, you could give it, a smush right there, get it in your pile, and then if you're just gonna cut up your garlic, okay, or if you're gonna mince it or however you're gonna cut it, depending on what you're doing and what you're cooking, okay. So simply, let's do that again. So grab yourself a clove, cut both ends off where the root was. You can kind of hold it and peel it off too, and you get some that way. And then go ahead, give it a light smash, and then it easily comes off. Literally, you can just peel it right off like that. It's so easy. And then you just got perfectly peeled garlic ready for whatever you're gonna do. So that's it, how to peel garlic. Check out one of my other videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. I do a lot of these how-tos, and I got some killer recipes, and I got some great stuff coming out. So thanks again. Thanks for watching Home Cook Basics.